Tired of dragging out if then, if right arrow pressed? Are you tired of duplicating this? Changing it to left arrow, duplicating it again, and changing it to up arrow and down arrow. And then you have to go to motion and drag out change x by 10, change x by minus 10, change y by 10, and then change y by minus 10. Are you tired of this? Let's go to motion and drag out change x by 10. I'm putting this inside of a forever loop. Let's go to operators and drag out a multiply block and then a minus block or a subtraction block. Now let's go to control or sensing and drag out key space pressed. Let's change it to key right arrow. Now let's drag out key left arrow. So key right arrow minus key left arrow. That doesn't make any sense. And then let's multiply this by 5. Running this block, you'll see I can control my cat with the arrow keys in one line of code too. Now what if we wanted to move up and down? Well, we can do the same thing. Let's change y by, and I'm going to duplicate this block, key up arrow minus key down arrow. Now watch this. I'm moving down, up, left, right, all over the place. I'm a scratch cat. So I just condensed 4 lines of code into 2.